So in this video, I want to show you what to do in case your Powerbeats Pro 2 are not charging, okay? It could happen for many different reasons and I'll show you how to fix this. So the first thing I suggest is you do a factory reset. Maybe it's a software problem and yeah, if this can fix it, it only takes a few seconds. So let me show you how to do a factory reset. Need to do, well, first open the case and then you're going to find the button that is right over here. We'll need to press this button for around 10 seconds and you need to pay attention to the light that is right over here. So let's do it together. Okay, I'm pressing this button and I'm keeping an eye on this light. Keep pressing even if you hear noises. Okay, the light stopped blinking. I still keep this button press and you see it flashed red. Then I can release my finger from the button. It's a signal to tell you that they have been factory resetted. After their factory reset, you're gonna hear the pairing sound and the light will blink white. Simply means that they're ready to be paired with your iPhone, Android or computer. So go ahead, take your other device, go into the Bluetooth settings and pair them. They will be like new. Now, if this didn't work, you need to make sure that they connect properly to the case. You see, each Powerbeats should be connected with these two prongs on the two metal places here. And over time, this can get lint, debris, dust, stuff like that in there. So make sure you clean those. Clean them on your earbuds as well because they can get dirty. Sometimes sweat can also forbid them to connect, and make sure they click in place like that. Also, I suggest you check the USB port in the back and make sure you don't have lint and debris that entered inside. Take a small toothpick, try to clean it out. If this was the only way you were charging them, I suggest you get a wireless charger. This is a portable one, could also be a not portable one that you connect using a USB Type-C, and simply place the case on one of these, okay? You can look at this small light over here. Once you put them on the charger, it should turn to red. It means that it's currently charging. So if you were charging them with a cable, try a wireless charger instead. I suggest you leave them on the charger, no matter if it's a wireless or a cable one, at least an hour before trying to do anything else. Hopefully this will solve your problem and you'll be able to use them afterwards. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.